Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy tickets for the FIFA World Cup 2026. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is head on over to FIFA.com. Once you're here, we need to click onto where it says FIFA, click on the three horizontal bars, click onto shop and click onto tickets and hospitality. Then from here, scroll down and where it says tickets ready for action, be the first to receive exciting updates. So we need to click on that register your interest button. Now, before we start, we need to know about how the tickets work. So first ticket sale phase, which is Visa pre-sale draw, which is basically a lottery. So the dates for this is between September the 10th and 19th, 2025. And now the eligibility, only Visa card holders, debit, credit or prepaid, and how to participate. So from here, we need to go ahead and put in our email, then click on send sign-in code. So check your emails for that sign-in code. All right, so here it is here, FIFA your sign-in code. So it's typically going to be 4 digits. Now come back here, copy and paste and click the sign-in button. Now we need to register your interest in tickets today. So to receive information on how to apply for FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets, please enter the data below, click on the send sign-in code and then check your mailbox. We will keep you up to date with the latest news and information regarding the FIFA World Cup 26 tickets. Now for more information we can visit here as well. So you just put in your first name, last name, email, country of residence, gender, date of birth, your preferred language, and also if you want to receive updates and latest news, check those boxes. And then also I've read and agreed to the terms and go ahead and click onto submit. And now from here, successful applicants will be randomly selected. So notifications are expected starting from September the 30th, 2025. If selected, you'll receive a specific date and time in October 2025 to complete your purchase. So keep an eye on your emails or any text messages from FIFA.